Today topic is setup and folder structure. How to set up the Python and what's the folder structure we need to today we are learning. Installing Python and setting up environment. We know Python is open source, right? So go to the Chrome. Just type here python.org. This is first open this first link. This is the website for official website for Python. Go for downloads. See here. This is the latest version of the Python 3.13.2. Windows and Mac OS there. So we are using Windows, right? Windows. See, there are so many versions are there. In introduction, I am telling Python 3 is there. Now latest version we are using, right? So these are all versions are in Python 3. Which version you want, you can download based on your system RAM. Is 64-bit, you can install 64. Is 32-bit, you can install 32-bit. In my system, I'm using 64-bit. I will download 3.12.6 version. I'm downloading 64-bit. So it is downloading. See, it is completed. Now we need to open this. After opening this, just we need to add a path. Then click on this add path and just click install now. Setup failed. Why? I means in my system it is already there. So that's why it is saying setup failed. So then I will check in my system Python which version is there. See 3.12. Is there. Now I can download some other version. I will download 3.9.8. Yes. Just I am adding path. Install now. So it is installing. It takes some time. Wait for. Yes. It is successfully set up. Okay. Close. So we need to check in command prompt. Open CMD. Is installed or not? We need to check, right? Python version. So 3.9.8. It's successfully installed in our system. How to create a Python folder? It is nothing but need to create one new folder. Go to new, create one folder. Right? I will give here name is demo. It is already there, so that's what it is saying. I will give demo 1. Yeah. So we know editors, right? Editors are nothing but it is a one platforms for writing the projects. We are writing the programs and projects, everything. So Python also having the so many editors are there. IDE, like it is the IDE. It is the ideal shell. So internal script we can write here. If you want script, see, there are running programs are two methods are there. One is interactive method and another is script mode method. What is interactive method? It is nothing but a terminal. It is nothing but this one. This is the interactive mode. Okay. Shell mode. Script mode. In Python, another mode is script mode is nothing but to go for the files. Here only new file. We are creating this file name. Just we are saving. Taking like this. test2.py. Py is nothing but extension. So save python script.py file and running the using python file name. I am taking the file name is test1.py. In Python having the indentation. Before going to, I will tell how to download VS Code. Just type here python dot sorry VS Code download. Go for here. Just download Visual Studio. Just click on Windows. Go for Windows. Just click it. It will be downloaded. In my system, it is already there. See. And I'm once again downloading. Just open. So it's telling it is already set up. Okay. I'm cancelling this. So like this you can download. So this is the interactive mode, right? Which one? Wait. This is interactive mode. And you write a small program in Python. Print Alice. What is print? Print is a statement, right? The print function is used to display the output of the screen. Why we are using print means we need to display the output. So that's why we are using print function. Just enter. I will get the output like this. But coming to the script mode, we need to write here print Alice. We need to run. Then only it will be run. See? And Python having the indentation. What is indentation? It means block of code. Coming to Java, we are using indentation braces like this. But in our Python, internally having the block of code. What is indentation? What is block of code? Block of code is nothing but indentation having the four spaces. I will write a small program for indentation. Okay. I'm taking user input int. What is int? Int is nothing but a data type, right? So I'm taking normal input. I'm taking string. I'm using if a is greater than or equal to 18. See, print major, correct. Who is this 18? So here, this is the indentation. 4 spaces are there. See here, this is the Python indentation. Everyone should understand how to set up and how to create Python files. Right? Thank you.